Well, we're making it feel authentic by, well, it's mainly just through research and of the period, but we kind of, we've done a lot of research in the period across the world because you have a lot of English people. You had people from across the world heading to this particular spot to make their fortune. In sets like this, you have a controlled environment, so it's much easier, kind of control every single detail in it. When you get out in the wilds, then I mean the other crew wouldn't agree with us who were out in the rain all day, but from my point of view, yeah, bring on the rain, you know. It brings a weight to it, you know. So yeah, I like that kind of thing. But yeah, I mean the obvious things, you know, you're trying to find places that are, you know, the vegetation is similar enough. A few little things, but nothing very challenging there. And then it's more to get a sense of the ruggedness, the hardship, things like that. It's important that everywhere we picked had yeah, good rough look to it. There was quite a bit of earth needed to be moved. All right, the town. I think we probably added in, I'd say 250 tons of. It was a mix of sand and topsoil, so you kind of had a slight muddy look, but cleanish. So obviously for filming sort of restraints, we have to think of wardrobe and everything else. But yeah, it's that's what earth movers are for, you know. So it wasn't all done by shovels like it was in the day. So it's a process. So you're constantly doing, say for the town exterior, you know, we had the carpenters in and we're building certain stuff, and then the painters, and then the props are coming in, and then we're moving earth in and stuff like that. So we're kind of, it's all layers that you're kind of adding all the time, and that's it's the detail in each layer overlapping each other. That's what gives you the overall look, or hopefully. Some of the props came from abroad, but not very few actually. So a lot of it was, you know, we've prop houses here in Ireland and stuff like that. Whether it's Dublin, London, or Galway, it's the same challenge really. So yeah, you just have to. Everything has to be period perfect. You got to get everything right, and if you can't find it, you make it, or yeah, beg, borrow, steal.